Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can enable autoplay video in Facebook app on your Android. Please friends, don't forget to put likes under the video. Also write your comments and subscribe to this channel. So friends, let us get started with you. Please open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Next, friends, at the top right, go to the menu section. Now click on the gear. And then, friends, you'll need to scroll down a little bit and select the media section. Click on that. And here you can easily find an option like autoplay. And you can easily customize it. And if you have it set to never play videos, then you can choose one of the two options above. One is to play your video only over Wi-Fi, or like me, play your video over both mobile data and Wi-Fi. You just need to choose the option that you want and that suits you, after which you can safely go back out to your Facebook, the main page, and here friends, if you go to the Reels section, you'll see that they play right away. Just like any video you have in your feed, it will automatically play. This is the way, friends, you can easily autoplay in Facebook app on your Android. Friends, I really hope this video helped you and was helpful to you. Please don't forget to put your likes under the video, write comments, and also subscribe to our channel. See you soon.